Running light for a Taurus Ford Explorer. This is the police version, so I had difficulty to find the way to connect, but I finally find a way. So this is the wire I connected to the flasher, the black on black. The middle is the power, and the last one is the turn signal. So connect those to the daylight system that you got. This is the one I have, and I connected like the colors that I just told you, meaning the red goes for power, the black on black, and the yellow should be the turn signal right there. You see it here. And I wanted to power it, so what I did is I took out the power, I put it on the fuse here. This is the power control model, and when I turn the key on, it will light up, and when I close the key, it will close. So let me show you. Right there, you can see it's lighting right there. You got the turn signal also. On this side. So just close everything and I'll show you the result at the end.